Bitcoin continues to hold my key support level here of around 25,700. This is still bearish consolidation. I still expect more downside. Target remains, and I've said this now for multiple weeks, you're looking at major support at 24,000. Now, the narrative here with crypto is nasty right now. When you see Nvidia going up every day, when you see Tesla going up every day, think about 2021. Those were the stocks that were leading the charge there, but you had altcoins going up insane. You had Bitcoin, you had Ethereum running up, and they're doing nothing. All right, why is this? Thank you, SEC. Thank you, Gary Gensler. You have put the cap here based on so many uncertainties.
In this exclusive interview, Gareth Soloway, renowned for his expertise in macroeconomic analysis, technical chart analysis, and trade signal alerts, provides insights into the analysis of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, and the broader economic landscape. With the SEC launching a comprehensive attack on the crypto industry, Gareth has all the information you need to stay ahead of the curve and prepare for upcoming market movements. Soloway expresses his expectation of further downside in Bitcoin, highlighting a significant support level at $24,000. Despite favorable market conditions for stocks like Nvidia and Tesla, he notes that Bitcoin and Ether have not experienced significant price increases due to regulatory concerns and the lack of clarity from the SEC and its chairman, Gary Gensler. Soloway compares Bitcoin's current situation to past rebounds in markets like the Nasdaq, indicating the possibility of a technical bounce after a major decline. While some anticipated an altcoin season and Bitcoin's rise to $30,000, Soloway mentions that this expected trend has not yet materialized. Furthermore, he suggests that a collapse similar to the dot-com bubble is inevitable and necessary to cleanse the system by allowing weaker cryptocurrencies to fail, paving the way for the best ones to thrive. According to Soloway's tweet, he has consistently drawn parallels between the dot-com bubble and the crypto bubble, suggesting that the collapse of both should follow a similar pattern. He believes that the system needs to be purged of weaker cryptocurrencies in order to create space for the best ones to thrive. Soloway asserts that approximately 95% of coins should eventually become worthless, and it appears that this process is currently unfolding.
Where is Bitcoin going? Well, one of the things we can see is that Bitcoin has done virtually the same thing that the 1929 market did with the collapse. This market in the Nasdaq has done, which every market has done, guys. So again, to see a bounce like this is not unusual, right? When you see a decline of this magnitude, you're going to get a technical bounce. Everyone at 30,500 was like, this is a new bull market. Crypto to the moon, crypto to a million, whatever it is. Alt season was going to come. I mean, I'm still waiting for the alt season. I think most of us out there are. But the point again here is that you have to understand the way markets work is all based on this. When you look at millions of investors and psychologically, are they greedy? Are they FOMOing in? Are they fearful? Are they panicking? Right? Panic doesn't denote the beginning of a sell-off, it denotes the end. Think about FTX. When FTX came out and that collapse occurred, that was the end of that initial down move before the bounce. That was max fear. We're now getting into the beginnings, in my opinion, of the next wave. I don't think we're at max fear yet. I think you're still going to see more actions by the SEC, so there's probably more downside to go. Now, will Bitcoin take out the lows? I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm still in the camp that it could. All right, if you look at the dot-com market, and again, dot-com market's so similar to what happened in crypto. Brand new technology will change the world. Dot-com was the internet. Brand new technology will change the world and did. I think Bitcoin and crypto will change the world and is changing the world. It's just going through growing pains. So these are the types of things that I look at as a trader. I don't look at things in a FOMOing greed or fear mentality. I analyze that and I analyze other people's emotion because it gives me an edge. I say, people are getting way too scared here. Let me go to the charts and start looking for technical support. Or at 30,500, wait a minute. The amount of greed that's in crypto right now is as robust as we were when we were at 69,000. If that denoted a top at 69,000 on Bitcoin, then it probably also can mirror a top here. And what happens? Bitcoin comes back in. It was also a major technical level as seen in the chart right here. So these are the things that, again, as a good trader, as an investor, you have to start paying attention.
Gareth Soloway offers insightful analysis ahead of a significant Federal Reserve decision scheduled for June 14, 2023. Leveraging his expertise, he predicts the Fed's next move and examines the charts to uncover potential market implications. Recently, the Federal Reserve temporarily halted interest rate hikes after a 15-month period but indicated the likelihood of resuming tightening measures to address inflation concerns. In a press conference following the decision, Fed Chair Jerome Powell stated that it allows the economy more time to adapt as they make future decisions. Gareth emphasizes the importance of maintaining a delicate balance in asset prices, particularly in the stock market. He highlights the 4% consumer inflation figure as a reminder of the ongoing challenges posed by rising prices. Overall, Gareth's remarks shed light on the Federal Reserve's new approach to asset prices and their concerted efforts to strike a balance between economic growth and inflation management. Now, let's return to the interview.
Now, we are in a market that is a melt-up market. What does that mean? Well, it means shorts are getting scared, the bulls are gaining traction, they're getting very virulent, they're feeling like they can't lose, and again, that is causing a melt-up in the markets. There was money on the sidelines that was kind of concerned about what the Fed was doing. Now we're hearing that today, likely we will see a pause from the Federal Reserve. Now, based on the Fed funds futures, that's exactly what we're expecting. So again, look for the Fed to pause today. Remember that announcement comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2:30 p.m. will be the point where Jerome Powell gives a press conference. So the Fed in general wants asset prices to stay where they are or go a little bit lower. Now, they don't want the stock market to crash, right? That's not in their cards. But they don't want it to run back to all-time highs because, again, that will create a hardship for the Fed to bring down inflation. All right, so let's get to the PPI numbers today. Remember, CPI yesterday stands for Consumer Price Index, so it's inflation on the consumer side. So right now we're looking at 4% on the consumer side. If you look at just core, which is food and energy, it's at 5.3%. So decade with the 100-year cycle.
Looking ahead, the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market is heavily influenced by market sentiments and regulatory uncertainties. Ongoing legal battles and a lack of clarity from regulatory bodies have created a challenging environment. In 2024, based on price analysis, Bitcoin is projected to have a minimum price of around $44,788 and a maximum expected price of approximately $55,542, with an average trading price of $46,000. The impact of regulatory uncertainties and legal challenges on the future of cryptocurrencies cannot be understated. Investors must navigate this volatile landscape effectively. To do so, they can employ strategies such as staying informed about the latest regulatory developments, diversifying their portfolios, conducting due diligence on cryptocurrencies, engaging with regulatory bodies, and seeking professional advice. By following these approaches, investors can make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and position themselves to seize opportunities in the evolving cryptocurrency market. Ultimately, the future of cryptocurrencies depends on regulatory clarity and legal frameworks. By actively participating in shaping regulations, investors and stakeholders can help foster a favorable environment that balances innovation, compliance, and investor protection. It is crucial to adapt to changing circumstances and stay informed to thrive in this dynamic and evolving landscape. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.